Hell yeah. Can y'all hear me? Can y'all hear me? Everything's good, chat? Everything's good?
Welcome to Big Savings This Week at Grocery Outlet, your extreme value headquarters.
Let me let the Discord know we live. Thumbnail, thank you. I'm excited. Let's go, chat. First YouTube stream, Ski. Okay. All right. Yes, sir. I do got the YouTube going, chat. If y'all, I can't say that on TikTok. I'm on YT. If y'all want to head over to YT, drop a little sub, all that, I would appreciate it. I'm reading both chats, by the way. Bonga, I'm reading both chats, bro. I got you. I got both chats pulled up, chat. Make sure my trace syncer's working. Let me say what's up to y'all. Bucks, what up? Jeff, what up? Coden, what up? Victor, what up? Ivan, what up? Rodrigo. Stream's all good today? Bet. I fix it up. Let's go. What's the YouTube? I can't be seeing it. The white tee's in my, it's the same thing as my TikTok, bro. Same thing as my TikTok. Alright, boom. Trade Tinker's working. Everything's working. We're locked and loaded, baby. Let's see. The YouTube. Yes, sir. Badminton. What are you saying, Bucks? General shorts. I haven't even gone through bias. What up, Patrick? What up? Damn, it feels different having to keep up with two chats now. Music down a bit? Sure. Is that a little better? Or should I do more? Is that a little better or should I do more? I could turn up the mic too. I got you. Might be through here. Yo. Oh, that's too much. Yo. That's a little better, chat. Should be a little better. Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. First YT stream ever. So if y'all do want to check that out, I'd appreciate it. I know. Bucks, I have uncopyrighted music playing right now. Come on, bro. We on that. What's good, chat? Damn, a lot of y'all motherfuckers came to YouTube. Okay. Thank you, guys. We got 16 viewers at YouTube. Let's go. It's fixed. Yes, sir. I fixed it up. Chat, 20% off for Alpha. They got a sale finally. All right, let's go over the bias. On the daily, what do we see? We have not swept this daily high here just yet. It could be a possible draw off of open. We're getting this big pump up. I'm hoping this is the last pump we need in order for us to take out all these relative equal highs and possibly inverse this daily gap to then reach all-time highs. But perfect. This is exactly what I want to see. If I'm going to be bullish, I need to see an area in price where price can manipulate into before going higher. What do I see here? A clean 4-hour gap that price can manipulate into. How many points is this away? 72 points. Not bad. Boom. A low. If price opens and gives us that dump, what are we going to do? We're going to sweep an internal low, an hourly low. We are going to tap into a 4-hour gap, and we can possibly look for longs in this area. These would be really, really, really nice longs. Why? Because you would be taking it with a 4-hour continuation model. You're probably going to get lower time frame confirmations as well, and you're sweeping hourly lows with relative equal highs as your target. That would be ideal. Let's see, the 30-minute, same thing. This trade even makes me more confident knowing that we're going to be sweeping London lows. Obviously, if market does open and decides to dump. If market opens and pumps, might be chopped cheese, but we'll see. But yeah, on the way down, also chat, we're leaving all these juicy highs that can come take out. So any longs in this area for me are fair game. I am probably going to be looking for longs in that area for sure. For sure. YT much better. Thank you. What up, Stunner? What up? Looking at MNQ or NQ? This is NQ, bro. This is NQ. What's good? XX was good. Chat, if you guys have like comments you guys want to ask me or anything, I would definitely recommend going to YouTube because YouTube only has 21 viewers right now. Fuck, I can't say that fucking word. I would definitely recommend going to YT chat because YT only has 21 viewers right now. But yeah. All right, here we go, chat. Market opened. I'd like to see that dump here. I'd like to see this dump here into this 4-hour. I don't want to see any hesitation at all. Just to make sure we have no news today, right? No news. All right, bet. Whatever equal lows.
Just don't get it. That Squarespace
I gotta get YouTube Premium or whatever it's called. Yeah, we swept those lows now. All right, perfect. We got to tap into that 4-hour gap. Any possible longs from here, I would definitely take, chat. Any possible longs from here, I would definitely take. We'll see what we can get. I am executing on MNQ, but I am charting on NQ, chat. Hopefully you guys are doing the same. Let me take a look at ES, how ES is doing. ES also tapped into that 4-hour gap. Perfect. Also swept hourly lows. Perfect. If we inverse this gap, I'm taking this long, chat. I'm taking this long. I'm too confident in this long. I don't want it to go without us, though. I don't want it to go without us. How many points would this be? 50 points. I would not want it to go without us. We'll see if it even reverses. Yeah, I'm confident. That's not a strong close at all, but I'll take it. But I'll also take this. My stops here. Yeah, a little bit below consequent encroachment of that. I'll go break even at these equal highs. Let's go. Let's get that push. NQ. Let's get that push. Nice. I can move my stop a little bit. Not really liking this reaction here. Not really liking this reaction, to be honest. Also leave it down here how it was. We'll see what we get. I'm only in with 3 micros, which is the beauty of this. So I'm not risking too much. Anything past CE of this wick, chat, might be that we want to make a new low. So I'm fine with getting stopped here. Or I don't feel the need to put my stops all the way down. I need to see some strong reactions higher though. That candle that we got to the upside was not strong at all. Yeah, it might be chopped cheese here. Strong bearish candle. Might be chopped cheese here. There it is, there it is, there it is. Unfortunate. But I did de-risk on that trade, knowing it is market open. We'll see if price needs to... Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me, NQ. We'll see if price needs to rebalance deeper into that 4-hour gap. I thought it was a pretty good trade. I thought that is all we needed. Apparently not. We'll wait though. We'll wait. Yes, no, yes did not. Why you went to so early? I mean, bro, exactly what I wanted to see happened. Exactly what I wanted to see happened, and considering market open, how volatile it is, I did size down. It don't let me donate. I don't think you could donate yet, to be honest. Cause isn't it like I don't know if I can say it, but like Twitch, how you have to like be like a partner or something. Where could this possibly go? I still think we're due for upside. It's just a matter of when. Or how much NQ wants to retrace into this gap. Charlie on Q is way better than MQ. I agree. No Noti? Yeah, I'll let you guys know in the Discord. Unless TikTok didn't send out notifications, then Rodrigo with the gifts, appreciate you. Yo, thank you to everyone that's tuning in through YouTube chat. I love y'all motherfuckers. Thank you guys. Shout out everyone that's tuning in through YouTube. Mm-mm. 30-second shorts? Oh, I don't know about shorts, man. I mean, we have all these low resistance highs that I see we want to run, but I don't think it's because that honestly after that inversion, I honestly wasn't the most confident because the inversion was going to close up here, which would have been a lot better versus where it closed. But I still took the execution because I thought the drawn liquidity was still there, and I didn't think we needed to make a new low. But here we are making a new low. That's all part of the game, though, chat. We wait, we patient, and if price wants to do what we want to do, if price wants to do what it wants to do, we'll let it do what it wants to do. And if we see something we can capitalize on, we would definitely will. You take the women IVG? I did, yes. Just by now? Definitely not. No. ES is in this 1 minute range, which is weird. ES is in this 1 minute range, which is definitely weird. Fire, Bucks. Fire. Already took a trade. Yes, I took a long here, chat. What's better for you to... Anything, Ariane. Anything. I appreciate anything, bro. Chat, if you guys are new here, do not forget to drop a follow. If y'all do want to head over to the Red app, YT, I am live on there too. It's my first stream on YT, so I would appreciate it, chat. Also, Alpha has a sale. Finally, bro. Finally. Don't forget to get your accounts with Alpha for 20% off. I mean, hindsight now, something that I could have possibly looked at is the fact that we had just swept. We're not just swept, but we had swept these highs a couple of hours ago. But this is just dumping now, so I'm curious as to if it needs to dump towards Asia lows. If we want to completely rebalance to this 4 hour down here, We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Getting lucid with your code. Thank you, bro. I love you, bro. Thank you so much. How was yesterday for you? Yesterday, no entries, bro. Yesterday, we did not find any entries we liked, to be honest. So we sat out on yesterday. Well, we didn't sit out, but we were watching the charts, but no entries. But yeah, I mean, chat, we'll see if this is just a continuation model lower or if price wants to somehow start reversing here. If it does want to start reversing here, I'm not going to take longs after the first inversion that I see. Definitely going to wait for higher time frame inversions to validate my entries. Can take this off. And this. Chat, let me get a 1 in the chat if you guys are bullish, 2 if you're bearish, 3 if you don't know. 1 if you're bullish. This goes for YT and TikTok. 1 if you're bullish, 2 if you're bearish, 3 if you don't know. Okay. Lots of 1s and 3s. What about you guys on YouTube? 2s? Okay, a couple 2s. Good amount of 2s. You want YT? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Short-term bearish, long-term bullish. Fire. Try to get the TikTok watchers to come to YouTube. Road to 1,000 subs. Road to 1,000 subs, bro. Damn, that sounds crazy, huh? 1,000 subs on YouTube. Shit, on the road though. On the road to 1,000 subs. What's good, Ivan? What's good? Do you know why my trading view is slow? It is linked to my Tradevate account. I'm not sure why it's slow, bro. No idea. Can you drop the candlestick settings? Chat, my candlestick settings and my indicator settings and my indicators and all that good stuff is in my Discord. I don't show it on stream because too many people ask for it, chat. And my stream would just be me showing chart colors and indicators. But it is in my Discord, chat. My Discord is completely free. We are also having a giveaway on Friday. I'm giving away 5 Apex accounts. I still haven't made the rules yet. I don't know if I'm going to be doing it through YT, through TikTok, or through Discord. But we'll see. We'll see. Okay, seems like we might start wanting to inverse. Nah, we have a 5-minute up there. We wait. What up, Colin? What up? Bucks, I don't vape, bro. Took your tip yesterday and started charting on NQ. Accidentally went in with 3 minis and blew my account. You see, that's a you problem, bro. That has nothing to do with me. I chart on NQ and I switch over to MNQ to execute. That is not on me, bro. When I try to go in your YT page, it says not available. Really? Through my link tree? It might be because I changed my YouTube username a couple of weeks ago, and I don't think I updated it on my link tree. But it's the same thing. It's the same thing as my TikTok. It's the same thing as my TikTok. Do it through YouTube? Yeah, might have to, bro. We got that inverse on that 3-minute, got that inverse on that 2-minute, but we still have this 5-minute gap here that has yet to inverse. We'll see. Hopefully NQ can give us some sort of pullback. I'm gonna draw at the bottom of the 4-hour just so I don't have that big blue box in my screen. I wouldn't want to see this run without us, though. I would not want to see this run without us. All right. Bias, I'm still bullish, chat. I still think we go for these highs and even higher. A lot of stop losses getting hit. Yeah, I agree. Chat, we're probably going to see a lot of inversion traders posting the L today. If they post their L. All right, this is good. But I need immediate reactions from this gap now. If that 5 minutes going to inverse, we need to see immediate reactions now. Like ASAP. ASAP Rocky type shit. Trading got patched, do you think so? TGR traded pre-market, he lost 100K. Oh my gosh. I don't know, man. I don't know. You have this bullish SMT here though. Yes, it didn't sweep this low. It's hourly low. I think you did. We'll see if it's significant. I don't really think it's too crazy. Chad, this is why I tell you guys to wait for the higher time frame gap in the leg to get inverse. Because I'm sure someone saw this 1 minute or this 2 minute inverse and automatically answered. And they're probably in drawdown right now, or they probably got stopped out. It's always important to wait, chat, for the highest time frame gap to get inversed. Pre-market's crazy, I know, bro. Gady took the inverse. Yeah, it's not Chad. This trade is the trade that I would take 95% of the time, bro. 100% of the time, actually. It's just unfortunate. Tell me how you can be bearish by looking at the daily on NQ. I'm saying. But chat, y'all gotta realize that not everyone sees the market the way you do. You know, someone can be bearish. For example, when I'm in a bullish trade and I'm some sort of like drawdown something, and everyone's like, oh, you're my liquidity, or how are you in longs? Why are you in longs? It's like we don't see the market the same. You probably don't trade the same way I do. So chat, you can't sit here and blame someone for like, oh, I took shorts. You can't be like, bro, what the fuck's wrong with you? No. Actually, I don't know if I could curse on YouTube. Sorry, YouTube. We'll see what we get here, chat. Getting this nice push here. We did rebalance to that 2 minute, which gives me even more confidence. 2 minute BPR gives me a lot more confidence here. We just inverse that 2 minute gap there. We still have a couple minutes left for that 5 minute, and I'm scared it's gonna run without us, to be honest. I am pretty scared this might run without us. We got that 2 minute inverse there. That 5 minute still has three minutes and a half to close. So this can easily start pumping from here and leave us behind, but we'll see. We'll see. Oh, you're right, Bucks. You're right. My fault, bro. Quick longs though? Nah, I'm not the type to like enter quickly and be like, oh, like get a quick scalp. No, if I'm gonna enter a trade, I'm gonna be sure about the trade. I'm gonna have a set stop, a set TP, all that good stuff, chat. All that good stuff. The beauty about this now is if we do enter a 5 minute inversion with like a lower time frame confirmation, there's going to be areas in this leg where I can put my stop loss and I wouldn't have to put it all the way at the bottom. For example, this 2 minute protected low could be good. Or if we create any other protected lows, if price comes back to this gap and respects it, that can also be a good area for me to man, this is interesting. The fact that price is just dancing around in this area. What is NQ doing? NQ looks like it wants, ES looks like it wants to fly as well, chat. ES looks like it wants to fly. When you say run without you, meaning bullish run? Correct. Yes. Meaning run all these highs that I was targeting earlier that I'm still going to target again if we get that inverse. No, TCI, there's no news today, right, chat? There's no news. I already checked. Sell? Nah, I don't know if I'm gonna sell, bro. Definitely don't know if I'm gonna sell. No news? Yeah, bet. Chat, if you got your new here, do not forget to drop a follow. If y'all do want to come over to the Reddit app, YT, I'm also live out there. Yeah, don't forget to use code Jordy with every single firm. Lucid is currently 40% off for your first 5 purchases, chat. Anything after that, it only goes down to 30%. And then Alpha is finally on sale, 20% off. And then don't forget the GOAT Trade Fight, 30% off, daily payouts, all that good stuff, chat. All that good stuff. All right, this 2-minute closes with this 5-minute. So we'll see what we get here. Macro time starts in about a minute and a half as well, which is good. Perfect, chat. What did I say? If we get a retracement to this 1-minute gap and hold, this could be a perfect place where I can place my stop loss. If we were to inverse this gap, because if we inverse this gap, we would close above these highs, and that puts me at a perfect place to put my stop loss with less than 20 points. But this 5-minute needs to deliver though. Like, don't just sit around here, bruh. Deliver. In a short, no. No. Do you trade IVGs? I do, yes. I trade inversions. Use your close for Lucid Flex. Jen, I love you, bro. I don't know if it's Gain or Jen, but I love you. Buck speaks at 10. You going long? Ideally, if we inverse this gap, I'm not gonna take this if there's no inverse. Perfect. I like this. I like this delivery. We can give this another shot here if that 5-minute candle closes above. Ooh, that 1 minute's not closing above though. I'm not taking this just yet, chat. I'm not taking this just yet. Why am I saying this? We still have this 1 minute gap here. But Jordy, higher time frame holds higher power. Yeah, but too many times I have seen 5-minute gaps get inversed, 3-minute gaps get inversed, 2-minute gaps get inversed, and we still have this teeny tiny 1 minute gap that does not get inversed yet. I'm taking my entry after this gap gets inversed, which it probably is. I'll enter here. I'll enter here. I'm pretty confident it's gonna get inversed. Now I can put my stop at this protected low, and I can put my TP at this high, and we let the trade ride. We do have equal highs here as well. If we come up and take those equal highs, it could be a point where I can go break even. These here. I need a push here. Though. Chat, oh my god, this kind of sucks because look at ES. Let me pull up ES for you guys. Look at ES now. Oh, perfect. I mean, NQ's kind of following through, but look at ES, bro. This is nothing. NQ is nothing compared to how much ES is pumping. I need NQ to turn up, bro. I need NQ to turn up, definitely. All right. I'm liking this move here. I'm not trailing my stops just yet. As soon as we take out these equal highs, I'm either trailing or I'm going break even. I might just trail though. All right, I'm definitely trailing here. I like this push. I need some movement above these highs though. I need some. Holy shit. Yeah, ES is gone, bro. ES is gone, chat. What am I seeing? Yeah, this kind of sucks because now we have so many SMTs against us. The fact that ES delivered and NQ is not is kind of worrying me. I'm not gonna lie. What are these ads, bro? Sorry, chat. Little ad break. There you go. Chat, I cannot play Drake and all that because I'll get copyrighted on YouTube. I will get copyrighted on YouTube. Just give me a push past these highs, thank you. That's all I'm asking for. Just give me that last push. I don't like this. At least give me a strong closure. Nice. This next candle should deliver, chat. This next candle should deliver. There you go. There you go. Let's get that final push. Break even trade. Break even trade. Everybody put your stops at break even. You guys should not be risking any more money on this trade. Now we let this ride, chat. Now we let this ride. Let's go. Now we let this ride. Now we let this ride. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, chat. First YT stream. We up. First TikTok. Not first TikTok stream. We up, though, chat. Regardless. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I might even hold runners. I might just sell. Here's what I'll do. Took off one position there. I'm taking another one here, and I'm holding a runner. Securing some profit back, chat. We are securing some profit back. Took off one position there. Taking another one off at that high. Oh, wait. Why is it there? It's supposed to be here. And I'm leaving a runner. Let's get that final push here in Q. This looks too bullish for me not to leave a runner. But partials, yes, sir. I took a partial. I had to, bro. I had to. Let's go, chat. Let's go. Took a loss before? Of course, chat. Of course. I lose as well. I don't just win. Fix your stop. W bucks. There we go. I could put it at 1. There we go, chat. Now we let this run. Let's go. I told you guys, chat, the draw was higher. Man, I called this to the tick, man. Unfortunately, we did get stopped on that first play. But the draw was still there, chat. The draw was still there. We wanted a manipulation into that 4-hour gap with a obviously with a 1 hour equal low sweep, and we got a clean delivery. Now we hold this, chat. Now the rest is just money. The rest is just extra money. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, chat. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. We do this. Don't forget to drop your follows if you guys are new here, chat. Also, if you want to drop any subs on YT, I would also appreciate it. Let's go, chat. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let me get a one in the chat if y'all took that long, chat. Let me get a one in the chat if y'all took that long. 1.2K, let's go. Let's go. A one in the chat if y'all took that long. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Let's go. This is amazing, bro. This is fucking amazing, chat. Let's go. We got such a clean entry, too. Let's go. Now we have all this wiggle room for NQ to do whatever it wants before potentially going higher. Chat, this might be a trade that we hold for the entire session. If you guys are in this with me, with partials, if you guys still have a position in here, a runner in here, we are letting this baby ride, chat. We are letting this baby ride. I am confident that this daily range will close. We'll close to the upside. Not today, or maybe today. You don't know. But this week, we will see a sweep of these highs. Mark my word. So the fact that we still have a runner in can be pretty good for us. Ideally, I'd like to see candle closures above this high. But, shit. We'll take it, chat. We'll take it. We'll take anything that we're getting right now. Let's go. I just made more than my job today. Jordy, love you. C-Power, I love you, dog. Chat, hearing that shit makes me want to fucking give you guys a fat-ass hug, bro. Makes me want to give you guys a fat-ass hug. I love y'all, bro. I love every single one of y'all. Whether you guys are on YT or on TikTok, I love y'all, bro. 1.2K on the eval? Let's go. S, stop. S, you were the one that was commenting that in Eddie's chat. Don't be saying that shit, bro. Don't be doing that. Missed the entire trade driving. Hey, bro, it's all good, dog. It's all good. It is all good. There's always going to be another trading day. Chat, no bullshit, too. Y'all going to think I'm tripping. You're going to think I'm lying. Going into this session last night, I was super, super excited. For some reason, I had a really, really good feeling about today. I don't know. I had a really good feeling. Getting off Jordy, good shit. Love to see you win. I took a pre-market and I haven't traded since. I'll be back later. All right, then, Ivan. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you for stopping by. Finally funded? Nice, bro. Let's go. Took a loss before this and missed this one, bro. Lock interest in. It's God plan. I know, man. I know. The monitor fell off my bed. Nico, what are you saying, bro? What are you saying? Chat, let's get to 5,000 likes, chat. Come on. Come on, chat. Let's get me to 5,000 likes, chat. Let's get it. Let's go. Jordy, thank you, Zane. Thank you, bro. Is it worth to enter now? No, definitely not, chat. Definitely not. Definitely not. Accidentally place a limit instead of opening a position. Lying, you're lying. Lying, you're lying. Actually, look at what I said on what? On what? Elijah Pennant. What's up, Attikin? What up? What up? What up? 800 more up on eval. Let's go. Thoughts on MFFU? There are better options, chat. There's 20% off right now with Alpha. Alpha rarely had a sale. I think this is their first sale of the year, actually. This is the first sale of the year. Definitely stack up with Alpha. I'm fully allocated with Alpha. I also have accounts with Lucid, and I will start trading with Traderify as well. But Lucid and Alpha are definitely the goats, chat. Lucid and Alpha are definitely the goats. W Galaxy? Oh, shit! Infamous motherfucking Ryan. Ryan, I love you, bro. Ryan, thank you, dog. Thank you so much, bro. Ryan, you're the GOAT. Everybody drop a W Ryan in the chat right now. Yo, what are these candles? Hold on now. Hold on now, NQ. Hold on now, NQ. This is peak life, 100%, bro. This is what we had sleepless nights for and shit. Sleepless nights, all that bullshit. W Trade, thank you, Steven. Dare hop into sales? I mean, if you want to. Apex is 80% off, I believe, chat. It's not 90%. Luis, I love you, bro. You're supporting me on both platforms, dog. You're the best. Ryan, thank you so much for that Galaxy, though, bro. Dead ass. Kimberly, appreciate that follow. Retracing to 5-minute gap, then another long. I'm not going to add any positions to this chat. I'm holding this, but be careful, because the high that we took is a prominent high. This is last Tuesday's high. This is last week's high. This is a pretty strong high. So the fact that we swept it, or we got a 4-hour candle closure above. Hold on now. This can just continue higher. It's up to you guys, chat. I personally would not take any 5-minute retracements here with a 1-minute inversion higher. If you guys didn't get in on this leg higher or in this leg up, I definitely would not consider. You know what? Let me shut the fuck up. Up to you guys, chat. Whatever y'all want to do. Whatever y'all want to do. What's good, Diego? What's good? Just got out. Have to work. Thank you, Jordy. Got you, Steven. Let's go. Nico, I got you after live, bro. I can't right now, pa. Can't right now. Playlist? It's a YouTube lo-fi, no uncopyrighted thing. Are you live right now? Of course. I'm live on YT too. Chat, if you want to go drop a sub on YT, my YT is the exact same thing as TikTok, Jordeezy NQ. We currently have 24 viewers in the YouTube stream. Not bad. Not bad for my first YouTube stream. Not bad. Not bad at all. Quick bandmate on those longs. Let's go, bro. Chat, I'm telling you, I'm confident this still goes higher. I'm confident this still goes higher. And the fact that we are in all the way down here gives us a lot of wiggle room for NQ to come down, manipulate these lows, tap into higher time frame gaps, then deliver. See what happens though. What's your YT? It's the same thing as my TikTok, bro. Jordeezy NQ. Still in? Yeah, I'm still in too, bro. I'm still in. Are you live on Snap? What? I started off with 300 viewers, but good stuff. Hey, Bucks, I appreciate you, bro. It's because you're Bucks himself. You know what I'm saying? You are Bucks himself. Could you explain the trade, my boy? Of course. So, chat, I told you guys going into the day, I was bullish bias. All I wanted to see was a manipulation into this 4-hour gap. What do we do? Market opens, we get a clear manipulation into this 4-hour gap. Straight off of that manipulation, we took this inversion, chat. I know 95% of inversion traders took this long. I took this long here. But apparently price needed to manipulate lower. Apparently price needed more lows. Price needed to take out more liquidity. So I waited, and then we got this move higher. I didn't take a trade until after I saw chat. Wow. Never mind, I'm tripping. Until I saw this 5-minute candle inversion, and I was like, hold on, there's a 1-minute inversion that hasn't, or the 1-minute fair value gap that hasn't gotten inversed. As soon as this candle opened and started ripping higher, I was like, all right, this candle is definitely going to inverse. Unfortunately, I did kind of enter at like the high of the candle, which is not ideal, but I mean, we still got a pretty good entry, chat. Compared to where price is now, our entry is pretty damn good. Pretty good. You're my goat, Bucks. You're my goat, bro. Why were you long bias? I mean, chat, look at the daily time frame. How am I not gonna be bullish? How am I not gonna be bullish? You know what I'm saying? I'm telling you, there's no such thing as the best time frame. Put as much importance on the daily as you do on the 1 minute and the 2 minute, on the 5 minute. How did I learn from you? I don't have a mentorship, bro, unfortunately. Or fortunately, because shit, nowadays, I don't have a mentorship. Yeah, I don't know. Very good trade today. Thank you. We'll see what price wants to do in this area, chat. ES got this huge pullback. NQ is kind of not pulling back as much as ES, though. So if ES starts to pick it up here or finds support in any of these areas, in this 5-minute gap possibly, we can definitely still see some upside. But ES would have to start rejecting like ASAP. Not ASAP. It still has some wiggle room, but we got this huge Jordy candle on ES. Now we're getting this huge Jordy candle on NQ. I'm going short. Good luck, bro. Good luck. If this stops us out at break even, chat, it is okay. We took profit for the day already. We're fine. We are good. Holy Jordy candle. I'm saying, bro. That's what I'm saying. These Jordy candles are getting out of hand, chat. Now, if this holds and we inverse this to the upside, be careful. Glad I found your live. Other people's, I've watched them. No discipline compared to you and sell courses. I mean, Diana, what can I say? I don't know. I don't sell a course, and I'm disciplined. I'm not the rest of these traders. I am not like the rest of these traders. Took a W on this trade, Jordy, but my emotions were all over the place. What was it though? Like, were you nervous? Did you exit early? Did you not let it play out, or what was causing the nerves? The amount of money you were seeing on the screen? If that's the case, the simple fix is to size down. You missed the first IVG. No, I took that first IVG. Chad, I told you I took a loss. I took a loss before this win, but my bias was still there. We made this protected low that I put my stop at the beginning. So if price came down all the way down here, I was probably gonna call it a day. But no. I feel like ES is the NQ from the future. Took that trade at 25,966, then hopped into your stream and seen you hopped in. Yes, sir. Let's go. Bro, with the self-glaze. Hey, I'm not glazing myself. Someone else was complimenting me, bro. Someone else was complimenting me. Or she was just saying how... Yeah, never mind. That trade was snipe generational longs. No cap, Chavez. No cap. A+++ setup. No cap. This, actually, here's the thing, chat. No, it was definitely an A+ setup. It was definitely an A plus setup, yeah. The crazy thing is that this here was also an A plus setup. Now, people are gonna go on the internet and say, here's a reason why you shouldn't have taken the first inversion. That same candle swept out 2 highs. I can already know, chat. I already know it's gonna happen, but yeah. Yo, Ryan with the Galaxy though. Ryan, shout out to you. I don't know if you're still in the live, bro, but thank you so much, bro. Yeah, we all definitely took those previous longs, 100%. We took those longs. I don't know why this color looks a little weird though. Maybe it needs to be a little lighter. Whatever, I'll just leave it. What did I say about this gap, chat? If we inverse this gap, NQ to the moon. W stream Carlos, thank you, bro. Thank you. You live every day, every single day, morning and night, chat. I'm live every single day. What are you targeting? I'm letting this run, bro. There's no specific target. But if I were to choose one, I would be ballsy enough to hold until this daily high. We are only 71 points away until this daily high up here, or maybe even higher, bro. Because this can definitely get hit today. This can definitely get hit today. Oh, it's only 71 points away. In this entire day, we've already created a 150 point range, 150 point move. So we can easily run another 70 points. Now, if we hit this high, I'm not going to exit my position because this can definitely continue rallying. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be dragging my stop loss. So, chat, this might be a trade that I can hold until the end of the session. Look at this clean ass 5-minute reaction, chat. Oh my god, holy ads. You're the best streamer, OG. Denny, you're the best viewer, bro. I love you, bro. I don't take TikTok trades, but I saw my setup as well, bro. Thank you for streaming because I wasn't on today. I got you, bro. I got you. I got you, dog. Would it sweep Tuesday's high? We already swept Tuesday's high, bro. This level that I have on marked here is Tuesday's high. Take a look. Tuesday, January 13th. Chat, if you guys are new here, do not forget to drop a follow. Also, chat, every single part from you guys see below my face, code Jordy gives you guys a max discount. Lucid is currently 40% off for your first 5 uses. Then it goes down to 30, with 30 is still amazing. Alpha is currently 20% off. They never have a sale. They haven't had one sale this year, but they finally had their first sale today. So definitely tap in with the Lucid, with the Alpha Future Zero accounts, chat. They are 0 activation fees, and you can pass the eval in one trade. You can be funded in one trade. Same thing with Lucid. W Trade Jordy, thank you, GOAT. Thank you, bro. W Stream, thank you, Carlos. Where are you taking TP? I'll consider taking TP at this high, at this daily high. But like I said, I might just be dragging my stop. I might drag my stop to this low, actually. Yeah, definitely dragging myself to this low. There should be absolutely no reason why we come back here, and if we do, then we're probably just gonna dump even lower. This is considered a projected low since we got that candle close above that previous high. If you guys are still in this trade, chat, and you guys want to manage your position with me, I would definitely put my stop loss and profit at that 5-minute low, because that is now considered a protected low. Did you go to bed the other day? No, I went to Mountain High. Mountain High. What platform can I get funded in one day? Either you can get a Lucid Pro account, Lucid Pro, 40% off, or you can get Alpha Futures 0 accounts, 20% off. W Risk Management, yes sir. You're the best. Bucks, you're the best. Which accounts are 1-day pass? Lucid Pros or Alpha Zeros, chat? Lucid Pros or Alpha Zeros? Why is it protected low? Because we tapped into that 5-minute gap and we got immediate reaction from it, and we got a candle close above this high. So there should be, if we're truly bullish, there should be absolutely no reason why price feels a need to come back to this low. No reason. No reason. This 5-minute wick is holding price. Oh no. It's holding price higher. So if we are truly bullish and this is going to continue higher, there should be no reason why we come back to this 5 minute. Unless we form the 15 down here, which probably are. But I still don't think, by the way things are looking, I don't think we should come back to this 15. This new candle looks strong though. I needed to find some resistance here and go higher. There you go. There you go. Let's get a higher push here. Chat, if you guys are new here, do not forget to drop a follow. I am live every single day of the week, chat. Monday through Friday, I do execute live on stream. As you guys can see, you guys see my entries, my exits, how I manage my position, the amount of money that I made, the amount of money that I lost. I do walk you guys through every single trade, why I took it, what confluences I saw. I do also answer questions on stream if you guys have questions about the trade or about anything. In other words, I walk shit down. You copy trading accounts? Yes, this trade is across 5. This trade is across 5. Why do you trade minis instead of micros? You're a good trader, so aren't you just limiting yourself? See, that's what one would think, but every single trade I take, I'm not like the P&L you see on the screen is not the P&L that I'm taking home. You understand what I'm saying? Like, I'm never only trading one account. So like hindsight, yes, trade more, put more size and make more money. But it just depends on the trader and if they're willing, to see that amount of P&L on their screen. Like, I'd rather buy more accounts and still remain with the size that I trade right now, but make more money, obviously, than to just size heavier and kind of exit trades emotionally because that, I don't know, I'm up fucking $3,000 on one account. All that good stuff. What strategy do you use? I trade inversion for Rally Gap, chat. ES has 2 equal highs to the upside, so this should start pushing higher. Hopefully ES can take those out. NQ is kind of finding some resistance here, which I like. Some support, sorry. Appreciate it. Got you, Diego. Got you. Same as US 100 cash. Chat, yes and no. Yes and no. I would definitely recommend trading NQ instead of US 100. Done for the day on that flex consistency. Nice, Jen. Nice, bro. Nice. Let's go. S&T with ES at highs. I know, chat. I know. There's gonna be S&Ts all the time. ES got a stronger push than NQ did initially, so there's gonna be S&Ts. But like I said, my stops are in profit regardless of what happens. Money's up, chat. Money's up. 1,500 for the day. Let's go. Again, you're goated, bro. You're goated. You're so nonchalant, just sitting there with a winning trade, and you're gonna play Fallen? Nah, we're not playing Fallen for like another hour, bro. Break down your strat. Hey, send me like $500, bro. I got you. Wire me like a band, and I'll send you my strat. I'm kidding, bro. It's simple, chat. I just trade inversions. Obviously, with I've been trading inversions since 2023, so I feel like I'm a little more confident on, or not confident, but there's times when other, not beginner traders, but other traders see inversions and take it, and there's times when I don't take them, just because of market experience and IVGs that I've seen fail and other IVGs that I've seen work. But I always use a higher time frame narrative for my entries. So in this case, we had that 4 hour that we manipulated into. We got the hourly equal lows get swept, and I told chat that is exactly what I wanted for us to go higher, and that's exactly what happened. Unfortunately, we did get stopped on this 931 candle here, but like I said, my bias was still there. I was still really bullish, and I still thought we were going to come back and inverse these gaps, and we clearly did. And we did. And now our stops are in profit, so we are fine. We also took partials on the way up, so definitely recovering on the small loss we took earlier. How many accounts do you trade? 5 right now. 5 right now. Yeah. What up, Sent? What up, bro? What up? Chat, this fucking P&L, this thing does not look aesthetic. I need this to be aesthetic. Whoever doesn't know what I'm talking about, they're probably like, bro, what the fuck is this weirdo talking about? Big flames and all that. How do you copy trade your accounts? Through TradeSyncer, chat. Through TradeSyncer. Fundeds, yes, chat. I only trade fundeds. I only trade evals during Asia. I only trade evals during Asia. Isaac with the roses. Chad with the roses. Thank you guys so much. High income activities here. No cap. No cap. Caught a W today. Let's go, Richard. Got any Discord? Of course. The Discord is in my bio, bro. Click the link tree in my bio, and that should be enough. That should be the first. Should be the first link in the link tree. But yeah, chat. I mean, we just sit through this trade. Actually, I'm curious. TikTok saying we have detected inactivity during your current live. First try. First try. Bang. Bang! What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I'm curious, chat. Type of one in the chat if you're still in this trade. I know a lot of you guys took profit, and a lot of you guys need to follow consistency rules, which is perfectly fine. But type of one in the chat if you guys are still in this trade with me. Holding partials. Holding partials. Damn, a lot of you guys held partials. Enter later. Oh, okay. Damn, Prince, how you type that fast? Who did you learn from? I found inversions because of Dodgy, but the person that I can give all the credit to is definitely Desi. Yo, Jordy, I'm new to funded accounts. Can you explain what account is the best for me to start with? The best beginner-friendly accounts are definitely Alpha Zeros, bro. Alpha Zeros. Alpha Future Zero accounts. Took it on the retest. Fire. Is trading your full-time career? Yes. Gracias a Dios, it is. Thanks to God and the Lord himself. This is my full-time job. Go short? Yeah, bro. Let me just reverse my position real quick. TP is at this little fucking leprechaun, bro. This lizard. My TP's here. 26, 128. That is my full TP, or that is where I will start dragging stops. Or if we get a candle closures above these highs, I'm gonna drag my stops even higher. Because we got another what? 2-minute retracement? Yeah, 2-minute retracement. We need a 2-minute candle closure above this high for me to drag my stops here. Take this off. Thanks, Jordy. I got you, hype. Wasn't able to take the trade because Alpha didn't renew my subscription and close my account. What do you mean? Your subscription gets renewed automatically. Alpha doesn't have to do anything on their end. Is this S&P 500? No. It's NQ. Barbecue chicken. You already know, Peyton. Barbecue motherfucking chicken. Barbecue motherfucking chicken. Barbecue chicken. Volatility is dying out, chat. Volatility is definitely dying out. Hopefully here in our 11 a.m. macro, we can get some movement. Damn, as soon as I say it, NQ gives us a pretty strong candle. You just sold? Damn, bro, that's fire. I mean, you're up, bro. You're up. Is it better to trade NQ or S&P? I've always traded NQ. Bro, these calluses are annoying, bro. Gold, no, Nasdaq. What time does your strat work best? I would definitely only trade the first hour and a half of market open, or first hour and 45. What a beauty of a trade, chat. I think since last Wednesday, this has been definitely the best trade. You think it'll go down? If it goes down, it could possibly just be a rebalance. Yeah, like if for example, this is a perfect area where I can tell you. If price comes lower than this red box, we're definitely getting stopped. Fuck. This it's not really showing you how I wanted to show you. Anything lower than this area, we're most likely getting stopped. But like I said, this could simply just be a sweep of internal lows, because we did form low resistance lows on the way up. This could be a sweep of those lows for us to inverse this gap and go higher if we form a gap. You know what I'm saying? Nah, saying. Thanks, Jordy. Yes, sir. Are you in any trades in New York AIM session? Or do you only trade New York session? No, I trade Asia session as well, chat. I trade Asia session as well. If you guys want to tune in for those live as well, do not forget to drop a follow, chat. We are live every single day. Morning and night, chat. Morning and night. Shit, now it's going to be YT and TikTok every single day, chat. YT and TikTok every single day. No falling later? Nah, we still got a couple minutes for that. I mean, a couple, yeah. Big 2026, yes, sir. You already know, Cisco. We're kind of learning IPG strat. There's a lot of YouTube videos, bro. There's a lot of YouTube videos. Nasdaq in Asia? Mostly gold during Asia, chat. Mostly gold during Asia. Mostly gold during Asia. Holy long. Ah, no inverse. No inverse, no inverse. Set my TP at 25,996. 25,996? 25,996 is... Well, it depends where you entered, but 25,996 is like my entry. Go short, chat. I am in a long. Why? I'm already in a long. Why would I go short? What up, Ryan? What up? Ryan Jose 9164. Eston, appreciate that follow. So you can trade this bitch. I mean, I'm holding, chat. I'm holding till we hit that daily high. I mean, that daily gap. If we happen to get it. If we happen to get it. Is the trade cooked? What do you mean cooked? No, Chad. This can definitely continue rallying higher. This last BPR is what I don't want us to inverse. And as you can see, we're bouncing perfectly off of it. It's delayed a lot, is it? I mean, I don't put the delay, bro. That's the thing. I don't put the delay. YouTube does. I don't put the delay, bro. I need these candles to get like I need strong closures here, bro. These little itty bitty candles are not gonna do it for us if we want this to go higher. ES is getting a lot stronger candle closures to the upside than NQ is. Yeah, ES is gonna carry this trade, chat. I'm not gonna lie. NQ definitely is like the fridge protecting the snacks, and this time it's ES the one that's gonna carry us to full TP. Wait, what's so funny, Mel? What did I say? It's always a little delayed. It's just how the streams work. Yeah. I trade SMT quarterly theory. I mean, shit, bro. Fire. Almost missed my entry, but I have to drop a bag on Starlink, low key. Malik, I haven't finalized the rules for the giveaway. I have not finalized the rules for the giveaway, but I'll keep you guys updated. Saying that with a straight face? What did I say? YouTube is only 40-second delay. It's fine. Yeah, but for like people that want to enter with me, it kind of sucks for them. Which I never recommend, chat. I never recommend to copy trade another trader, because that doesn't help you learn at all. Oh, fridge presenting the snacks? Yeah. It's because usually it's ES, the one that's kind of fucking up our entries for NQ. Because either ES isn't dumping how we want NQ to dump, or ES isn't pushing higher when NQ's trying to push higher. Where'd you go snowboarding? Been wanting to go, don't know where. I go to Mountain High. If you guys are from the LA area, I go to Mountain High. It's way better than Big Bear, bro. This PO3 is too smooth. No cap. No cap. Clean PO3 today, chat. Finally, I think this is the first time I see a PO3 play out in a fat minute. Our accumulation, our manipulation, and now our distribución. Someone said Justin was bearish. Can someone confirm that's true? Was he actually bearish? They got park stuff and jumps at Mountain High. They definitely do. They definitely do. Bear Mountain is just like, it's a big mountain, but all you do, like, there's no ramps. There's not much to do. You just snowboard down. I'm trying to eat shit. I'm trying to go on boxes, rails, all that good stuff. Good morning, Galen. Good morning. How you doing, bro? Body T, you're insane, Bucks. Been Mountain High before? Really fun time? Yeah, it's really, really fun. I like it. And it's mad cheap. Who's Eddie? Eddie's Edwin. Eddie's this other trader. He's this other trader. In consecutive fair value gaps, which one do you want to invert? What do you mean? I want upside, chat. I don't want any of these gaps to invert to the downside. I'm telling you guys, this last gap that we have down here, this BPR, is our last hope for this to go higher. Yeah, we're getting some clean reactions right here, and we do have SMT at these lows too, so that could be nice. Oh my god, these ads, bro. These fucking ads, man. Chat, do not forget to drop a follow if you guys are new here. We are live every single day of the week, Monday through Friday, chat. Eddie's selling right now while you're buying. I mean, let the best trader win, chat. Regardless, chat, I already took partials. I'm in this with only one contract. If this dumps, I'm still up. If this dumps, I'm still up. Does Tradify have one day pass or now? They do, Diego. Yes. Sorry, I didn't see your comment, bro. They do have one day pass. Only for growth accounts, though. Eddie definitely got stopped out. I don't know, chat. I don't know what position he's in. Do you read Asia? I do. What time do you go live? I go live 10 minutes before market open and at 6 p.m. 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 9 p.m. Eastern for Asia. TP is at this daily fair value gap, chat. This daily fair value gap. I definitely think we now have enough power, enough juice for us to come take out this daily gap. I mean, look at these past, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We haven't had one bearish day in 5 days, chat. I definitely think this is all we need for us to come take out these highs. Now, if we're close to this area and I see we are pumping aggressively, I'm definitely not gonna leave money on the table. I'm gonna wait for price to sweep those highs or get some kind of closures above that high. And then I'll put my sell stop at that fair value gap high, meaning, I don't know, it's hard to explain. But regardless, the minimum that I can make is TP up here. And if this continues to rally, then I can just make more and more. This might be a trade that we just sit through, chat, for a cool minute. Yeah, I already explained it, bro. Already explained it. Alvar Venture Trader, L Mexican, yo Bucks. Sit on this mute for a little bit, bro. Hey man, that's 100. Those longs, those highs were already taken. Can you show the Fair Valley Gap? Which one? The inversion that I took? The inversion that I took was, well, I waited for this 5 minutes to inverse, but I didn't directly take that 5 minute because I saw we had a 1 minute gap right above. But as soon as that next 1 minute candle opened, we kind of shot. So I was like, all right, yeah, it's definitely going to inverse. And I entered. And here we are. Oh, my TP, my fault. Chat, just go on the daily time frame. Look at this Fair Valley Gap we have here. The bottom of that Fair Valley Gap. What day is this? November 5. November 5 highs. Free as longs today? I agree. I agree. I just need this to continue higher. We tap CE of this 5 minute wick. And we're pumping, which is what I want to see. No, Dylan, don't even put that on me, bro. Dylan, don't even put that on me. We're not gonna edge that daily Fair Valley Gap again. We are not, bro. I'm confident this is the last move we needed for us to push up. Eddie down for 50. Chat, in the most non-fucked up way, don't like. How can I say this without sounding fucked up? I don't care what other streamers are up to. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't tell me like, oh yeah, Eddie's up, TJR lost this. Actually, TJR is cool because TJR is just, I mean, now he just fucks around. But like, don't be telling me like, oh yeah, like, I don't know. I think it's kind of fucked up. In the most non-rude way too, chat. I don't want to come off as like, fuck you, don't type in my chat. No. Should I start trading IFGs? Up to you, bro. Up to you. Brightman Nas 100, we're already above that Fair Valley Gap. TP's at all-time highs. What are you saying? Bucks, relax, bro. Relax. Chat needs to start focusing on their own trades. It's not only that, chat. I just don't want to like I never know what can possibly come from this trading streaming shit. So like one day if someone goes into their like Eddie's chat or someone else's chat or another like big streamer's chat talking about like, oh, you suck, Jordy's better. That's automatically gonna assume automatically gonna assume that like I was talking about them or like I told y'all I sent y'all over there, and it just puts a bad image on me, chat. All right, I think we're safe to drag our stops a little higher now. We came back into this 2 minute BPR. Oh no, can this be a 5 minute low? Yeah, this isn't a strong 5 minute low though. We'll see how this next 5 minute candle closes. For now, I'll leave it where it was. But if we get a 5 minute candle close above this high, I'm definitely dragging it. Gotta run a strict program. Mel, I mean, I try to, but like trolls are gonna be trolls. People have a mind of their own, you know. Like if I can only do so much, I can't control what someone's gonna say in someone else's chat. The most I can do is tell them not to. Did you secure partials? 100%, bro. 100%. Your disc gets a little. I know, Mel. I know. The only way to stop a Discord from getting crazy, and I'm not gonna do that. Can you say "ba" in the accent? What accent? What accent? You have a Discord? Yes, the Discord is in my bio, chat. The Discord is in my bio. It is completely free. I do not charge you guys to be in the Discord. How many points we have here? 49. I wish I could have entered this with a little bit more size, chat. Low key. Low key. Cisco, I got you. Hold on. TP is at that daily fair value gap, chat. I think it finally gets hit. Can you explain where your original stop was, bro? Of course. It was at this 2-minute protected low, Dylan. Was it? Yeah, it was. My stop was here. The reason why I put it there is because if we were truly bullish, price should have absolutely no reason to come back to this protected low because we swept. No, we didn't sweep. We tapped into this 2-minute BPR and got immediate reactions higher. We did get candle closures above. So this low now here is considered a protected low. But as soon as you got this, I mean, I entered and this shit just pumped. As soon as we set these internal equal highs, I went break even. So my stop loss was down here for like probably like 30 seconds, 40 seconds, and then we just pumped. So this was a pretty risk-off trade. Stops are in profit, chat. Stops are in profit. Depending on how this 5-minute candle closes, chat, I'm gonna have to drag this fucking TP higher, bro. This looks too strong, man. This looks way too strong. What is this song, man? I love learning this all from you. Hey, I love you, bro. Chat, if you guys have any questions about the way I trade or what I see in the market, the reason why I put something where it's at, I'm more than willing to explain to you guys. This candle looks scary. The thing I kind of like about this move too is that we're not forming any higher time frame gaps to the upside, meaning there should be realistically not too much of a reason for NQ to dump, other than the 15-minute we have down here. But I mean, if we have to dump all the way down here, I'm cool with that. I'm cool with getting out of the trade. Oh man, W session chat. Any re-entries? Nah, Alex. No. How did he become profitable? About a year, a little over a year though. A little over a year. TP's what? The daily fair value gap, chat. It's at 26,128. 26,128 is my TP. Why you take the first inverse and then take the second inverse immediately? What are you talking about, Mula? What are you talking about? You can put your stop loss higher? No. Yeah, I can. The thing is that, I mean, yeah, we got a strong 5-minute closure. I'll put it here at these lows. Good call, whoever that was, Mateo. Good call. Wow, this might be one of the longest and the biggest trades I've hit. Unfortunately, we didn't size heavy enough for it to be my biggest P&L, but I think it definitely might be my biggest points in profit. Is this your first short of the day? No, we took a long earlier. Do you want your shorts now? Up to you, bro. Up to you, bro. Chat, also, whoever was in here yesterday, you guys saw how shitty the TikTok layout was. Is the TikTok layout better now? Is the TikTok layout better now? Bro, still in? I am, bro. Nico, I love you. It's good. Bet. Extremely bet. It's good for sure. Nice, chat. YouTube stream running. TikTok stream got fixed. TP's getting smashed. Records being broken. What else do we want, chat? Literally, what else do we want, bro? You're trading micros? I am. GG, let's go. Life is good. Life is definitely good, chat. Only thing I need now is to live on my own. As soon as I live on my own, I'll be fine, chat. I'll be fine. Jordeezer? That's funny. Full TP is that daily gap. That daily gap. How much you up now? I mean, it's on the screen. Making that move soon? Yeah, me too. Definitely this year, bro. This year I'm out of here. This year I am out of here. You think there'll be another re-entry? I mean, volatility died down, bro. So even if I were to look for another re-entry, I probably wouldn't take it. Like, if this is going to go higher and hit my TP, it's just going to go slowly. We're not getting strong candles anymore. At all. Don't be sassy to your fans. All right, first of all, you guys are not my fans, Bucks. And second of all, I'm not being sassy, bro. How old is you? Me is 22 years old. I just turned 22. Here come the holy unks. Here come the damn. Here come the bros pushing 30. Here come the no wife, no kids, no family at 22. Yeah, GG's. What did you enter off of? IVG. Grown ass man. Yep. Here we go. Unc. Yep. Grandpa. Grandma. Yep. Prehistoric. That's an insane pool. I like this move here. Is this on a funded? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. It's on 5 fundeds. This is across 5 fundeds, chat. What time frame inversion? 5. 5. Should I take the trade now? No. Chat, you guys do whatever you guys like, chat. I'm not gonna tell you to take a trade here because if this completely dumps, you're gonna be like, bro, what the fuck? And I'm not gonna tell you don't enter because if this pumps, you're gonna be like, bro, I was gonna enter and you told me not to. Do whatever you like. Done for the day. Have a good day, brother. Amin Chi, thank you so much for stopping by on the YT, bro. Chat, I'm also live on YT. If you all want to stop through on the YT live, I would appreciate it, chat. I would appreciate it heavy. The wet rag method kind of applies. Chat, I walk shit down, bro. You think I would be lying to you guys? The wet rag method never, ever fails us. Thoughts on Top Step? I think there's better options, bro. I definitely think there's better options. Chat, do not forget to drop a follow if you guys are new here. We are live every single day of the week, Monday through Friday. Also, if you guys are looking for a prop firm to trade with, if you guys just lost your accounts, hopefully you guys didn't. Do not forget to use code Jordy at checkout with every single firm you guys see below. Alpha and Lucid have 1-day passes, no activation fees. Tradeify has daily payouts. Apex, you can stack 20 accounts. Lock those accounts in, chat. Lock those accounts in. A dub today? Are you kidding me? Let me do this, chat. Are you kidding me? What do you mean a dub today? Trade slow as fuck? Hey, I'm patient though. Shit. I'm making money. I don't mind sitting through this. Is this a strategy from Justin Werline? No. I do not trade Justin Werline's strategy. Go break even. Chat. My stops are in profit. My stops are in profit. You said you don't prefer 5-minute IVGs. Well, no, I didn't take my entry off of 5-minute IVG. We got that 5-minute IVG, which confirmed that we can possibly go higher for me. But then as soon as I saw the next 1-minute candle open and give us that push above this 1-minute IVG is when I entered. So technically, I use a 5-minute IVG as a confluence, but a 1-minute IVG to enter, if that's what you want to call it. Tell us about the loss before this. We took a 1-minute inversion. Where was it? Here. Bias was still the same, chat. We were still seeking the same highs. We were still looking for the same type of delivery, but unfortunately, price had to dump before giving us that delivery, and then we capitalized on this move now. You know what I'm saying? Find a girlfriend, bro. It's about that time. Yeah, let me just go out and fucking put a sign on my face asking people to be my girlfriend. Appreciate all those follows, chat. If you guys are new here, do not forget to drop a follow. Also, we do have a giveaway coming soon. On Friday, I'm giving away 5 Apex accounts. In order to enter the giveaway, you must be following me on TikTok. So make sure you guys go ahead and do so. I might just make it for YouTube subs only, chat. Not gonna lie. Jordy got hers? Nah. Get on Raya, then invite me. What is that, Mel? What's your YouTube? Same thing as my TikTok, bro. How much are you up? I don't like showing it on stream, bro. Chat, I don't like showing P&L on screen. But it's close to a band. It's close to a band. How long you been trading? 3 years. Shadow es 80%. Ahorita no creo que esté en 90. Will liquidity was set for you to be confident we'd go up? 1 hour equal highs. 1 hour equal lows. So 1 hour equal lows. Tap into a 4 hour gap. Got immediate reactions there. Waited for a 5-minute inversion. 1 minute confirmation. Enter the logs. Barbecue chicken from there, chat. Barbecue motherfucking chicken from there. Is TGR good to start? I think there's better options, bro. There's so many options now. TGR was good to start a year ago, but now everyone makes content. Are you speaking another language all of a sudden? Someone asked me a question in Spanish, so I answered in Spanish. Thank you, RC. Appreciate you, bro. You like them BPRs? I love BPRs, bro. Difference between NQH and NQ1. What is NQH? Say March 2026. It's just the contract, chat. It's just the contract you're trading. But if you want to be safe, just go with MNQ or NQ, and then it automatically executes the trade on whatever contract we're currently trading on. Sell limit is at the daily fair value gap. Well, what is this reaction? Nah, we're fine. At this daily fair value gap, chat, it's at 26,128. Favorite prop firm? Lucid. This trade so slow? Chat, you guys got to realize I'm not targeting my usual 30 to 40 to 50 points in a trade. I'm targeting 131 points in this trade. And I might even drag a TP higher if we get some strong closes here. This is actually good, because if we respect this area and create a higher high, I can now drag my stop higher, and I can possibly push this one a little higher as well. We'll see how price reacts to this 5-minute gap here. Let me take this off. Is this gold? No. Nasdaq. 100 point plus banger? Yes, sir. Cisco, I gave you mod, by the way. How much should I risk on 25k eval? 25k eval? I'm assuming your max drawdown and your TP and your max profit are half of the 50ks. So your max profit is 1.5k and you can't lose more than 1,000. Risk like 150 or $200 per trade. Meaning it ticks, it's just another version of points. It's a lot smaller though. It's a lot smaller. What's your advice? With what? With what? You just asked what's your advice. How many markers did you enter with? 3 or was it 3 or 4, chat? I don't know. Well, he took like 3 partials. Let's just say 3 to be safe. I took it with 3. These are micros, chat. These are micros, but I'm copy trading this across 5 accounts. Yeah, 3. What's the points for a full TP? 100 and something. Didn't I say earlier 130? 100 and yeah, 130. We need immediate reactions now. Like now. Let's see some upside here in Q. Let's see some upside. How to calculate your risk? It's just all like market experience now. I don't like sit there and do a calculator. It's just I mark out the amount of points that my stop loss is going to be, and if it's a little bit more than I usually risk, I size down, and if it's less than what I usually risk, I'll size a little bit higher, or if it's normal, then I just size whatever my normal size is, which is 3 or 4 micros per trade. Thank you, yes sir. How long you letting this ride? I mean, chat, here's the thing. My TP is set here, but what I will do most likely is if we're getting strong candle closures above, I will push this higher. As soon as we get a candle closure above this area, I will then put my sell stop at that high, just in case price comes down to that area again. I'm getting stopped at TP where I would have already initially gotten stopped out at. Meaning I'm taking full take profit. So I'm literally risking nothing to make infinite more. You guys know what I'm saying? Well, not infinite, obviously, but you guys know what I'm saying. I know, Dylan. I'm excited, bro. I am excited. Instant funding worth it? No. No, chat. No. No. It is not worth it. Shout out to everyone that's still watching on YouTube, bro. We still got 13 viewers in the YouTube. Shout out to you guys, chat. I love y'all. I shouldn't be saying that. If y'all wanna watch me on the YT chat, head over to YT. It is the same thing as my TikTok. If you wanna drop a little sub, I would appreciate it as well. Shout out to all my YouTube people. PJ to get their original Newcastle. That'll be not. That's gonna be a good game, bro. You saw PSG's new signing? Why the switch to YouTube? It's not a switch, chat. I'm gonna start posting YouTube content, more of like lifestyle type of videos, and I just want to get the ball rolling with like the YouTube algo and the subs and all that. You know what I'm saying? Plus, it doesn't hurt to stream elsewhere. Cause I was gonna do Twitch, but I was like, what's the whole point of doing Twitch or Kick if my whole intention here is to start posting content on YouTube? I'd rather start getting my YouTube audience up, start getting some traction with YouTube, and then by the time I post my videos, it'll be a little bit of a better outcome. Do you think we reject this level? I'd like to see this gap inverse to the upside, obviously. I'd like to see this 5-minute gap hold as well. But chat, y'all gotta understand, we are in the macro time, but I don't know. No way this is the real Eddie. No fucking way this is the real Eddie. Nah. I'm about to, Eddie, I'm about to do tricks on your shit, bro. I'm about to full glaze you. I don't give a fuck. Yo, everybody, I mean, my subs aren't, my follows are not gonna do anything, but everybody drop Eddie a motherfucking follow. Eddie, I did not think you would stop by, bro. I was just telling chat about you. Fuck, what the fuck was I saying? I don't know. I forgot, bro, but shout out Eddie, bro. Shout out Eddie. I saw his username and I was like, hold on, let me click on that shit to make sure. Eddie, let me drop you a follow, dog. You the GOAT. Eddie the GOAT. My child has been talking about, do you know Jordy? Swear. Really? Damn, that's fire. That's fire. Oh yeah, I was telling my chat, I forgot. I was telling my chat, they were like, cause I saw some dude typing in your chat, like talking about me. And I was like, bro, y'all better not be doing that shit, cause you don't know what the fuck the future holds. Maybe one day me and Eddie, you know, can do something. If you guys are fucking talking shit, Eddie's gonna think some weird shit about me. Followed you before I started streaming? Say on God. Bro, I did not know this. What the actual fuck? Damn. W fucking Eddie in the chat, bro. Eddie, you're the GOAT, bro. I'll be watching your streams during Asia, dog. Bro, but oh my god, it gets me pissed off, bro. What's up with these like reverse positions, dog? You get stopped out and you automatically enter. I'll be stressing out for you, bro. No cap. I'll be stressing out for you. Samantha, I've been streaming since August of last year. I don't know, bro. I'm just like, bro, Eddie, stop. I'm just like your TikTok comments, but I don't actually type it out. I'm just like, fuck, bro. But somehow that shit hits. I'm just like, all right, bro. He just shoved me up. Sometimes my internal demons. Once in a blue moon, I swear. Yeah, 100%, bro. My chat told me the other day that you were raising up some girl while you were on stream, and I tapped into your live while I was live. I don't know who that was, or I don't know who you were trading with and shit. But Eddie, bro, come on, dog. Come on, bro. Eddie doesn't give a fuck, but it always hits. That's what I'm saying, bro. That should always be hitting. The did once with the did. Well, I mean, shit, bro. Go ahead, dog. Go ahead. Go ahead. If that's your ball, that's your ball, bro. I don't wanna intervene. I don't wanna tell you not to do anything. If that's your ball, that is your ball, bro. If that's your ball, that's your ball. Trade so slow, chat. Y'all gotta realize this is not a 20-point trade. Does Eddie have a girl? I don't think so. Eddie, you got a girl? I think Samantha's interested, Eddie. He thought it was Jordy's ball. No, that is not my ball. That is not my ball, bro. Jobs, appreciate that follow, bro. I FOMO and market open and I shorted. Then the V-ship recovery, big risk, and I blew 2 accounts. Journal that shit, bro. Journal it and come back. Bounce back, bounce back, bounce back. Yo, Eddie did his research. Nah, that's insane. This motherfucker did his research before he typed anything. That is insane. All right, Chad, let's see. Fuck it, Chad. This turned into a Riz stream. Let's see if Eddie can Riz that up. Let's see if Eddie can Riz that up. Hey, Eddie, I forgot to tell you, bro. I was gonna text it to you, but I mean, I'll just tell you right now. When I went to New York, I think the butler that I had, he told me that it was like your mansion and shit. I don't know. I didn't want to ask you though, because I was like, bro, what if I'm bugging him right now? I know he's a busy man. He has deals he got to close and shit. I didn't want to intervene and shit, but yeah, I mean, bro, I appreciate you letting me stay at your mansion in New York and all that. I think I took the Lambo for a spin too, if you don't mind. If you don't mind, I mean, I was just, yeah. Real talk? Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. Eddie's a real one for that, bro. You don't drive that shit no more? Yeah, I mean, I can assume that shit's just chump change for you, bro. I can assume that shit was just chump change for you. But I mean, shit, I whipped it around. I drove it. 211, why are you hating, bro? 211, stop. What are you saying, bro? Stop. How do you find daily bias? The same way you treat the 1 minute and the 5 minute and the 2 minute is the way you should be treating the daily and the 4 hour. If you see higher time frame fair value gaps holding to the upside on the daily, on the 4 hour, on the hourly, it is the same way you should be. The same way you see a higher time frame fair value. Or, oh my God, Jordy, fucking speak, you fucking retard. If you see 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute gaps holding to the upside, you're automatically going to be bullish. Same thing with the daily, the 4 hour, and the hourly. If you see higher time frame gaps holding to the upside, why are you going to be bearish? Why are you going to go into the day looking for shorts? You know what I'm saying? Didn't PSG sign a Barca player? They did, yeah. They did. To 11, take it out of your mouth. All right, Eddie. Appreciate you stopping by, bro. I was like, there's no way that's him, but thank you, dog. Thank you. You're the GOAT. Everyone say bye, Eddie, chat. You know what I'm saying? All right, now that Eddie's gone, Samantha, what do you think? Does Eddie have that in the bag? Be honest. What up, Bucks? What up? Does Eddie have that in the bag, Samantha? Be honest. Keep it a buck. This is just us now. No? What? What did he need? I think he had that in the bag. He's interested in real estate. You know, he wants to find a house with you and shit. He's an established man. He let me borrow his Lambo. What? What do men need nowadays, bro, for a girl to be like, yes? I need to like retire your whole family's bloodline or something? Carter, you are insane, bro. She about to text him off stream? You think so? Don't do this to me? All right, Samantha, I'm sorry. I was just wondering because, I mean, you know, I've known Eddie since like back in like the Sandbox days and shit. And he's always been a good guy. He's always been a good guy. I don't know. I apologize, though, Samantha. I apologize. That is my bad. We got that 5-minute inversion to the upside. Hopefully this delivers now. If we get to move above these highs, I'm going to drag my stops even higher. But we need fucking volume. She wants you, Jordy? No, Blakey, stop. She does not want me, bro. Hold on, shot. I'm going to get a electrolytes or whatever the fuck it's called. All right, Jared G, appreciate you, bro. Thank you for stopping by. Are you looking for a short soon? Yeah, bro, I'm in a short right now. I'm kidding. No. I'm in long. Kobe. I think I drove your Lambo, bro. Fumbled. Julian, what do you mean, bro? I was helping him out. What key level are you looking for it to hit? I just want to see this go, bro. I want to see this deliver, man. That's all I want to see. Chat, who's still in this trade with me, bro? Who's still in this trade with me? Patience pays, by the way, so who's still in this trade with me, chat? Do you ever share the narrative before you take a trade? I'll let the chat answer that. Chat, do I share you guys a narrative before I take the trade? Do I tell you guys why I'm entering or why I'm not entering a trade? Yes or no? Yes or no? I need to see a yes or a no in the chat. The trolls are going to say no. Yeah, the trolls are going to say no. Every time? There you go, chat. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. He gatekeep. I definitely don't, bro. Bro just enters and explains after. Peyton, that's really how you feel, bro? Is that how you're feeling right now? Let's get a push above these highs, man. Come on. All right. No, I was going to play rap, but I can't because of YouTube. Should I end YouTube and start playing rap shit? Chat? Who's still on YouTube? Let me see how many people are viewing. Analytics. Why is it not showing? Oh, 12. And for the people that are on YouTube, if you guys are watching me, do you guys mind if I end and you guys come watch to TikTok? Tips on live streaming, Samantha, just be yourself. Just be yourself. People are gonna fuck with you for who you are. There's obviously going to be a lot of people that are negative. A lot of people that, you know, tell you otherwise, to tell you that shitty trader, unprofitable trader, all this other shit. It's all noise. It's all part of the game. There's always going to be those people. I'll go on TikTok for sure, chat. YouTube, I love y'all motherfuckers. Thank y'all so much for the support. We'll be live tonight for Asia. Peace out. Boom.